Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's weekly commodity outlook. My name is Jatin Trivedi. I'm the senior research analyst with LKP's Commodities and Currencies. So for this week we are going to discuss about the commodities and how they are lined up, and how what is the trading range, or what are the opportunities looking like for the commodities in this week. So for this week, bullions market can be in the range bound between 48,800 on the lower side for gold, and 49,500 on the higher side for gold. So till the time it is trading in this range, one should be looking at trading the range market in the gold prices as of now. Either side breakout will give escalation levels of around 50,200 for gold on the high side, and 48,100, 48,000 odd levels on the lower side. Now speaking about the silver prices also look on the range bound market till the time it is trading between 66,000 and 67,500. Once it starts trading above or below this range, one can expect the levels of extended levels of around 69,000 on higher side for silver, and 64,000 for silver on the lower side. Now speaking about the next segment, which is the base metal index and the base metal packs. I think base metals are going to be very much on the momentum side on this week for trading, as we have seen some strong updates from vaccination updates being rolling out strongly, and you know uh, the US President Mr. Biden coming out with strong stimulus packages announcement, and also it is kind of a first, it is just a start, that is what his statement was, and we can expect some further aids coming out. So that will help the base metal prices as well, because we will have some strong businesses going to happen broadly, which is in and out of US. So we might see some good action on the base metal front as well, because it is quite positive trigger for base metal index as well. So keeping that in mind, I think base metal index looks quite prudent to be trading at. The levels which are important for base metal index are at the levels of around 13,700 to 800 for buying zone. Keeping a stop loss below 13,500 is recommended strictly, and on the higher side, 14,100 to 14,200 looks a little bit on a extended levels, which looks quite achievable, which is also again the 61.8 retracement level of the sell-off which we have witnessed a couple of weeks back. Specifically speaking about any base metal, then I think copper prices will be in much of a momentum, as they are every day. Till the time they are trading above 595, I think it is a buy on dip market for copper prices. As much as close to 600 prices get available, it is a very good opportunity. Keeping a strict stop loss below 595, that is. And on the higher side, 615, 618 is a very strong resistance point as well. So one should be looking at exiting the positions whenever it is near about 615 odd zones for the copper prices. Now speaking about the last segment, which is the energy spec, I think crude market is quite range bound as of now, but we have seen some good run up towards the 3800 odd mark in the on the MCX for crude prices. Uh, the non-risky, the riskier markets have performed quite well in the last couple of months, and so has crude prices as well. So judging by the profit booking that we have witnessed in the riskier markets, especially the equities, I can say that some profit booking can be witnessed in crude prices on the from the higher levels. If and all it is not trading above 3900 soon enough, I think this week we might see some sell-off happening in the crude prices, which can be assumed as a profit booking rally as well. So till the time it is trading below 3900, it is recommended to exit your long positions, or go short as well with the stop loss above 3900, and aim for the targets of around 3700 on the lower side. Once again, if the prices do not break the 3700 mark, then we may see further rallies on the upside again, as 3700 mark remains quite a crucial support which has not been broken since a couple of weeks now. Now speaking about the natural gas prices, lastly, they are quite that is, it is a very volatile counter, as you have seen a strong sell-off witnessed in the last couple of weeks, and I would recommend to avoid this counter till the time. I would recommend to avoid this counter for buying, especially till the time it is trading below 190. If in all prices do start trading above 190, then one can accumulate this natural gas prices with a buy on dip market, with the stop loss below 180, and look for the target of around 210, 215, only if and all the prices start trading above 190, that is. Till the time it is trading below 190, one can go short. Yes, one can go short in natural gas with the stop loss above 190. and look for the target of around 175 to 170 in this commodity. So this is about it from me, guys. Hope to catch you all next week again. I wish you all a very happy trading for this week in commodities and all your trading strategies. Thank you.